I found an old typewriter in my attic last month, a dusty Remington with keys that clacked like bones knocking together. Initially, I thought it was a fantastic piece of vintage decor for my study. But then it started typing on its own. The first message was mundane, predicting my neighbor's dog would dig up my garden. It happened exactly as described. Intrigued, I waited for more. The next day, it detailed a minor car accident I'd have on my way to work. I laughed it off until the crash happened, right down to the broken taillight. I began to fear the machine, but I couldn't stop myself from reading its eerie prophecies. Last night, it typed something chilling: "Your sister will come to visit, but she isn't your sister anymore." I don't have a sister. This morning, a woman who looked exactly like me showed up at my door, claiming to be my lost twin. She knew things only I would know, but